Well, the challenge was to go over the Yorkshire Three Peaks in 12 hours. It was definitely tougher than we thought it was going to be. The hills were steeper and higher than we thought. The distance between the first two peaks just went on forever.
It was over 23 miles approximately. It was more or less a marathon. And it was an early start. We were up at 6 and walking by 8 o'clock. And finished it at about 20 past 10 that same evening. So it was quite a long day.
It was very hot, very, very hot, quite long.
After like 7 hours, it became nearly impossible to move my feet, so that was awesome.
The main challenge was finishing it, which we did.
Yeah.
The climb up the third peak was probably the most difficult, just because you're kind of walking along and then suddenly you've got to like climb this like ridiculously vertical thing that looks like the pathway to Mount Doom.
I don't think I realised how far 23 miles was. I've never really walked 23 miles, and I always try and approximate it in my head. I kind of think, okay, if I walk from here to here, that's how many miles, so times that by 23, then that's how far you've got to go. But when you're doing that like over really steep mountains in really hot conditions with a really heavy backpack on, and you're tired and you're with a group of people and it's kind of a team effort, it's really, really tough. So it was definitely a challenge.
When you're doing a massive walk in the dark, that last bit, and you don't know where the end is,
Yeah, that last bit was tough.
and you keep seeing lights of houses, but they don't seem to be getting any closer.
Yeah. Basically what had happened at the end was we got to the top of Peak 3 and we were thinking at that point, yeah, we're done. Like, awesome, we can go back and eat some food and sleep. But what we didn't realise was how far it was, again, go back down the peak and then back to the start. So it got dark, it started raining.
All our feet fell apart. We just got blisters. People's blisters were popping. It was getting really painful.
And we were running out of plasters at that point.
Ran out of plasters, ran out of food,
ran out of food.
Water. Ran out of light.
But up until that point, it was really good.
It was awesome. Yeah.
It'd been longer, much longer than 12 hours. I started to feel a bit, wow, that's tough. At one point I called my wife and said, I think we'll be there in half an hour. And 2 hours later we were still walking.
I might climb one of them again. Not all three in one go.
Yeah,
Yeah, definitely.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, especially because now I know what to expect and which bits are tough. So you can prepare mentally, and also you know which bits physically what you need to concentrate on.
Beforehand I would have said probably not, but now having done it, I still feel buzzing from it now, like just that real sort of sense of achievement, and just really positive about it. So I think definitely once my legs have recovered, I would be up for doing something similar, definitely. I'd recommend anyone that's having doubts about doing it, just go and do it. It's because it was a really great experience, and for example the views that you got at the top were like nothing I've seen, so
It's amazing.
yeah, really, really good.
I'm not sure. I'll probably, once I've forgotten the pain, I'll probably do it again.